In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for your Jotform. We'll walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a QR code that links directly to any of your forms, ready to download or embed on your website. First, go ahead and log into your Jotform account using your usual details. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard, where all your forms are listed. Take a moment to find the specific form you want to turn into a QR code. This could be anything, like a registration form, a feedback form, or a survey. When you see the right form, click on it to open it in the form editor. Inside the editor, look towards the top of the screen. You'll see several tabs or options in the top bar. What you're looking for is the Publish option. Click on Publish to open up the sharing and publishing settings for your form. Within the Publish section, make sure you're on the Quick Share tab. This is usually selected by default, but it's a good idea to double check. Quick Share is where Jotform gives you all the easy ways to share your form, like direct links and social sharing options. Now, scroll or look around within the Quick Share area until you find a section called Share Form. In this section, you should see an option related to a QR code. It might appear as a QR code icon or a label that clearly mentions QR code. Go ahead and click on that. After you click, Jotform will start generating a QR code that points to your form's URL. This can take a brief moment, so wait for the QR code to fully load. Once it appears, you'll usually see a preview of the code, along with options for what you can do with it. From here, you typically have two main choices. First, you can download the QR code as an image file. This is perfect if you want to print it on flyers, posters, brochures, or display it on a screen. Second, you can copy the provided HTML code. This HTML snippet allows you to embed the QR code directly onto your website or landing page, so visitors can scan it right from their screen. And that's it. You've successfully created a QR code for your Jotform, ready to share, print, or embed wherever you need it.